Hey guys, Tom here. I thought I'd just give you a quick one this week on this new power head I got. Real low profile, cheap compared to most power heads with this low a profile. So I thought I'd do a quick, kind of an uncut version here, guys. New viewers, check out my other videos. And if you like it, subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, here's the rest of the video. You guys know I'm not one for unboxing too much, but I tried this pump here, this power head. It's called Hygger Wave Maker. I'm trying it because it's low profile and it's super cheap. It was only 65 bucks. So it was either that or pay almost $300 for an MP10, which I have in my 20 gallon, or this one, which was 65 bucks. I can tell you that it went in easy, and it's got a magnet on the back just like the MP10. There's the magnet. It looks bigger in here, but it's small. See, if you look at my finger, it's a small magnet. Alright, and then it's got this thing, the controller, which is really complicated. I mean, I figured it out. Here's the instructions. It's a little comical, guys. It doesn't really matter here, but it's very complicated, and it's there's misspellings. The English is wrong, so don't pay too much attention to the directions. Just get the thing going, and it might serve the purpose. I'm going to give it a try. In a 5-gallon Nano, you're not going to need all sorts of waves and controllers, so I just set it at the minimum, which is 40% of full speed, and it's a straight. This number here determines a basic straight pattern of flow. It doesn't change the pattern. So I'm hoping it works, and the main reason I did it was because of the money. And it's super low profile. You know, you can hardly even see it in there now, which is cool. Better than the Seche. Here it is from the side. So we'll see. It's hard to see, which is what I love about it. You know, it's small, but it's got some, actually on the lowest setting, it's creating plenty of flow. Plenty. Almost on the verge of too much, but the fish don't seem to mind. My Passalapora doesn't seem to mind at all, and the rock anemones don't seem to mind at all. Alright, and this Kenya tree coral's been dropping branches. It's been recreating itself, so they get that way, and it's like this a lot. When it does that, it doesn't open up until it's done. See, I have one that's already attached itself down here on the rock by this other flower rock anemone. Flower rock anemones. And my green Caulerpa is starting to grow. Which is awesome, because that'll work to remove nitrate. Alright, that's it for this one, guys. I'll see you Sunday morning. Take care now.